Hey guys, welcome to bhupen.in, and today we are going to discuss about how to install Jenkins and configure Jenkins in AWS EC2. I'm trying to create a series of AWS tutorials based on my learning, what I'm learning on a day-to-day basis. So this is one of the part of that series. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to check, we need to have the prerequisite for this is that we need an instance. So I'm going to get the public IP for this instance and I'm going to SSH to it. So click on here. It asks you to add your RSA. Done. I'm connected. I can see I'm right now in AWS home EC2 user. Okay. So first thing that we need to check is that we need to check Java version. So right now it is 1.70.161, which is the old version for the new Jenkins. So we need to remove this and add the new version of Java because the new version of Jenkins supports Java 1.8. So I have set of commands which I written already, so which I'm going to use. Before doing anything else, I have to do an update so that I'm sure that everything is updated. So we're done here. Let's start the next, where I need to install OpenJDK for 1.8, and then I'm going to use the install command. Okay, so it's completed. The other thing is that we need to set the Java for the alternate version. So whenever you use Java, so right now if I use Java version, still showing 1.7. The best way is to either I can alternately set it, or I can just go ahead and remove the 1.7. So if I go ahead and remove the 1.7 here, which is done, and then if I use Java version, now it's showing 1.8.0 underscore 1.151. So this is the prerequisite instance, and you have our latest Java version 1.8, and now we can go ahead and install Jenkins. So what we need to do is we need to get the package for the Jenkins. Here I'm getting the package from the repository, then it's gonna import the key, and then finally we'll say run gen. These commands are already in my blog, so if you can go and look at my blog, you will find those commands. So right now it is downloading the Jenkins and installing it. Done. And then once I install Jenkins, I have to start the service. Okay, and then I have to use check config Jenkins on, just to make sure the service is up. Now I need to connect to this instance using port 8080, which is the default port for Jenkins. Okay, so it asks you to unlock the Jenkins first. So you need to go to this particular location and get the password. So let me cd here, and then vi. I have to do sudo vi initial. Okay, I got it here, and I just did never. So it is okay. I can do two things here. I can, if you have fair idea about Jenkins, then you can go ahead and use select plugin to install, or if you don't have any idea, you want Jenkins to decide what plugins to install, then you can go ahead. I know what to pick, so I don't need pipeline because I'm not using pipeline any of them. I'm also using Bitbucket, LDAP. Yeah, that's it. So stop. So it's gonna install the Jenkins with these plugins. Now it is asking me to create a user, so I'll go ahead and start admin. I'll give you a good decent password. My name, okay, my email address, save and finish, and it says your Jenkins is ready. Start using Jenkins, and I can see my Jenkins is up. I can start creating job and all those things. That's it guys for this video.